hayo kininayo pabasa tayo from David Faith Castro Baldes. Kasi po kininana. Ulit. Ganda ng
Vocal voice, not vocal. Vocal. No V in the Filipino alphabet. Only B.
Bokal. You know what is Bokal?
Yeah, vocal.
Kalbo.
That's backwards.
Backwards.
Yeah.
Yeah. She said that you have a nice vocal voice. Not vocal. It's vocal. But it's a double joke, loves.
Yes, I see that, babe.
Nice voice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's a singer.
Yeah, I am.
Okay, singing ka tayo. Good morning, beautiful.
Good morning, beautiful.
Sing it! Oh, na. Sing it. Good
No, that
morning.
costs money. Yeah, don't the entertainers charge money for singing? Oh. For you? 500,000 pesos.
Yeah, no way.
Wife discount.
I'm
The
in.
rest I'm charging 1 million pesos.
1 minute.
My
Vocal.
voice is not